Okay, today I'm going to cut a card in half, or at least try. Let me pick a card. Joker it is. Alright, follow me out this way, please. Right over here. Give it some rigidity, a little bit at least, at the beginning of it. Okay, got one joker right here. Okay, and over here, right here, you've got one Glock 43. So, Glock 43 meets the joker. Let's see what happens. What I don't like is I have to stoop down, which isn't very stable. We tried to raise it, but still not high enough, but we'll do what we can do. Can't see it that good at all. Nope, I can't see it good enough. Let's try it again. Ho! 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 Let me get the other half. Real hard to see because there's white stuff behind it on the hill right there. See that stuff? I can barely see the line. Here you go. Get on the other side. Glock 43. Card cutter, yes. Made to grade. First time I tried it with the Glock.